Good morning, good afternoon, traders. Welcome in the UU test trading room and in the VIP room 44 room. I hope you are doing great after a very crazy afternoon on the market. I guess you witnessed it very well indeed. Unfortunately, I could not back to trade this big event, but actually I was witnessed it just like 1 hour after the rate cut, and that was insane. And as you can see, we had a vote yesterday in the test YouTube trading room whether it's going to spark the buy the hype or sell the news event. Well, it was both, I would say. First of all, it was a sell-off, and after that, we just seen an insane buying that it does still continue for today. As you can see, the SPY is nicely up. However, it's pulling back a little bit, but still new all-time highs. What else? Indeed. And seems like that the market is very happy about the quarter point rate cut. However, there were some negative comments on Powell's side as well that might he can see two more cuts coming this year, but next year only one, because unfortunately the labor market is still and the inflation is still raising red flags. However, the labor market showed some nice number today with the unemployment claims lower than expected. So that was a kind of a good news. Hi Buzak, nice to see you. For you it's evening. Wow, good evening to you. Okay, hi Brian, Steve C, Andy, good morning. Hi DVG, Clifton, Scott, team, nice to see you all. And let's just dig deep into the pre-market session. Well, again, if you just traded yesterday a big event, then I hope you had a beautiful green afternoon. And let's see what's going to come next on this very much overheated market, but still just pushing higher. Well, tech stocks are much stronger at the moment. I'm just showing you the triple Q. Reason for that, NVIDIA and Intel deal. Intel surges 30% as NVIDIA is investing $5 billion in chipmaker co-developed data center and PC chips. But this Chinese decision of yesterday is still quite of a pressure on the semicons, especially the AMD is pulling back big time indeed. So traders, Dow set for 200-point gains. S&P and Nasdaq reaching for records a day after the Fed's rate cut. Well, let's see what's going to happen after the market bell. All over the world, it was like a positive impact. Of course, Europe is up big time. Asia, well, it's a bit mixed because Hang Seng is down, but the Nikkei is up. Nikkei just reached another all-time high. Indeed, futures nice and green, extremely green, especially the triple Q, but now we see a little pullback. I don't think so it's going to mean anything. And the crypto is going higher too. The Bitcoin just reached the 117K level again. So this is what we have today, traders, with economic news out already. As I mentioned you, the unemployment claims, it was much lower than expected. Well, at least as the previous data, and 10K lower than expected. That's a quite of a good news. And the Philly Fed manufacturing index, it's much better than expected. So quite of a good news indeed so far. 10 o'clock we will get the CB leading index, 1030 natural gas storage, and 4 p.m. the TIC long-term purchases. And that's it for today. But the most important news just got released with the unemployment claims and the Philly Fed manufacturing index. Tomorrow, Friday, comes the FOMC member speaker, but nothing else. Tomorrow on the economic front, it's going to be quiet, and no big data released. Only 2:30 FOMC Dali going to speak. That's it. International news, well, not too much. NVIDIA news in the semicon sector, definitely. Bank of England holds the rate steady with a further 2025 cut hanging in the balance. Okay, stock futures up. We know that. Huawei news here. Jimmy Kimmel show of ad item. Okay, it doesn't mean anything for the market. Jimmy Kimmel, sorry for that. If you like it, of course, okay. But Mark Zuckerberg unveils 799 dollar Meta Ray-Ban display glasses. Wow. I'm wondering what these glasses are made for and what they're doing. I'm not very good at gadgets, guys. Despite of the fact that I'm a trader and I'm every day in front of the monitors, actually I'm not into gadgets at all. Even I have like a paper calendar. You are not going to believe it. I know it's like an old school fashioned, but I'm an old school fashioned girl. So indeed, looks like that might Meta is going to move on that new Ray-Ban glasses. I don't know. Let's see. Hi, Nitsan. Amir is coming soon. Don't worry. He's going to come in like, I would say 10 minutes. Okay. What else on the list? Hi, Marco. So I'm going to watch indeed not just Meta, which seems like all of the textbooks look like extended, right? Even Google, I would say that this is the most extended, one of the most extended stocks among the tech stocks. But as you can see, the triple Q is always getting a new trigger to push higher at the moment as well. So both of the indices, just for the ones who just joined, are higher and far, far away for new all-time highs. However, they just started a small pullback. Doesn't mean too much. So it seems like that this yesterday rate cut, it was a quite of a buy the hype. But again, most of the times, I would say like 60-70% of the times, the day after the Federal decision, it doesn't matter what's the outcome of it, but usually it's a sell-off. So be careful on that, okay? Now let's see what are the big movers today. If you have anything on the radar, please just let me know. And Zuki, hi, nice to see you. Yeah, Intel definitely on the long side because they just got a beautiful deal with NVIDIA. So INTC is definitely going to my long list. The reason for that again, that the NVIDIA is going to invest like $5 billion for a co-development data center and PC products. So INTC, my first long candidate on the run. Long, I would say not just Intel, but I think we can just call NVIDIA as well. We have a short and we have a secondary list, of course. Okay, I just misspelled. All right, here we are. What else? Novo Nordisk is moving, guys, because 7.6% as the late stage results for its once daily obesity pill showed a very significant weight reduction in line with its Wegovy injectable weight loss drug. That's definitely a good news because let's just make it clear, no one likes needles, right? So indeed, that's why it's a huge news and seems like that NVO might can get out of this hole, which you can see on the daily chart. It's very extended and now it's still pushing higher. I really, really like it to the long side. Hi, Maya, nice to see you. So NVO to the long side indeed. BMNR called by Zuki. Let's see how does it look like. BMNR, yes, you're right. It looks like as a fantastic reversal on the daily, pushing higher. It needs to get over the $60 level again, but I'm just going to put it on my secondary list. Looks good for a continuation to the upside. BLSH cryptocurrency exchange popped 7.3, issuing the first earnings report. This can go to our long list indeed. Cracker Barrel CBRL. This is a restaurant chain and earnings out. CBRL at the moment it's not that lucky as BLSH on the news because this is just pushing lower and definitely this is my first short candidate list in the row. StubHub and Quantum Stocks. StubHub, it is STUB 1% lower, losing 6.4% in its debut on the New York Stock Exchange. Well, I don't think so. This is tradable for us, but let's see if it is. No, if you like it, I'm just going to put it to my secondary list. I think I've never traded this stock indeed. So here comes the quantum stocks, guys. IONQ signed agreement with Department of Energy to advance the development of quantum technologies in space. So that's why IONQ, quantum computing, Rigetti, D-Wave, and the rest is just going higher and higher, especially IONQ. I must tell you, this is going to be on my list definitely, and the Rigetti just for a sympathy play. Okay, CrowdStrike, a cybersecurity technology company, 5% higher at an investor day Wednesday. CrowdStrike gave solid guidance, announced a strategic partnership with Salesforce, and said it acquired AI security company Pangea. Well done, a beautiful move from CRWD. Let's see whether this is enough to push the stock even higher. At the moment, seems like, and I like the reversal on the daily, as you can see. However, that's a quite of a big gap on the stock, but this is a huge mover, so might we still have some move on the way after the opening bell. CRWD just go on the long side. DRI dropped 6%. Ouch, this is the Olive Garden chain, and because of the earnings, it's done. Let's just put it to our short side. Hi Ninja, nice to see you. Okay. If you have any candidates on your site, please, traders, just drop it into the chat, and I'm more than happy to check it. Vaccine makers are higher, Moderna, biotech, and so on. As continue to cover vaccines recommended by the government, effective September, safeguarding coverage, blah, blah, blah. But mRNA is not my favorite. I must tell you, this can be a tricky stock. At least it always tricks me when I'm trading it. It looks like a nice reversal. And look at that, 25, between this, I must tell you, between this 20, 23, $25 level is just quite of a channeling for a long time. Let's see whether it just can break out for today. I'm going to call it to the long side, but definitely not my first one on the list. Nucor and Nike still here. Nucor, it can be a short candidate for today. This is a steel maker, NUE, and this is lower or on some earnings. So NUE, as I see Scott just called it on his short list too, it can go to the short list. Nike is higher as on an upgrade from RBC Capital Markets, and Nike is up 1.30% at the moment. Nike looks like on the daily chart as a possible nice reversal from the 200 EMA. I quite like it, so let's just call it to the long side. So more longs definitely than shorts. What else on this very strong market, which is still pushing higher? It looks like crazy. Rick seems to be on the short side. Thank you, Ninja Didi. I'm just going to check it soon. I'm just going to post my list quickly, and then, of course, if you still have anything on the watching list, the watch list, please just let me know. I'm just getting a look at RICK. I cannot trade it on the test, but let me just check it on the other platform. Just a second. Now where is my Finviz? Okay. By the way, traders, the overall market, it's just pushing back a little bit. So let's just be careful. Oh, wow, 10% lower. That's looks like this is going to be the third day of big move to the downside on the stock. That looks ugly, Ninja BD. I agree with you. We should watch it. Oh yes, Meyer, I forgot the AMD. I just wanted to call it to the short side. Please just put it still on the short side because actually I like it very much. The short side looks like that at this and on this news between NVIDIA and Intel, AMD is the competition. And as you know, this sometimes it's not a good news for the competition at all. And AMD at the moment, it's really much to the downside, as you can see, back to this 150 level, which seems like a very strong, let's call it make or break level on the daily. So if it's going to break it, we are going to see a bigger pullback indeed. SPY still up 0.47% at the moment, traders, but pulling back quite heavily since like 12 o'clock, as I see. And triple Q is still strong. I would say that this is definitely stronger than the SPY, almost double because of the NVIDIA news. And traders, the SOXL, it's extremely strong. So let's just watch the semicons, but AMD is definitely a stock which is rather weaker than stronger. So traders, VIP room traders, hi Dan, hi Seth, good morning to you. Have a beautiful green day, everyone. This is a Thursday, economic news out, not too many to come or not too important news to come after this opening bell. So I wish you a fantastic day with Scott and DVG. And of course, I'm going to see you on the opening bell or before the opening bell tomorrow for the preparation session. Good luck, everyone, and see you tomorrow. Bye. Okay, YouTube traders. And as always, no, where is Amir? Amir is just going to join soon. I'm just used to that he's already in the other software, so I can just connect him. But at the moment, I'm still missing him. Okay, hi, hi Blake. Nice to see you. Um, on a BA short, well, BA is still on my ban list. Unfortunately, still not out of my ban list, but you know what? Maybe for today, I'm going to get this to my ban or out of my ban list. It's quite of a heavy sell-off in the recent days on BA. I agree with you, but in my opinion, it's on 215. It needs to break this 213 level again. Let's see. Chinese stocks are weak. Yes, Chinese stocks are quite weak. There is some news as well. Indeed, especially Baba. You know what? Not just because of the news, but in my opinion, it's extremely extended. Look at Baba Baidu and the rest. So I'm not going to be surprised on a small profit taking on the overall Chinese stocks. In the meantime, SPY triple Q are still very strong. So it seemed like it was a buy the hype event yesterday, but I'm still going to be ready for a interesting maybe sell the after party event. I don't know what's going to happen. Seems like that really, if there will be just a nuance bigger sell-off, it's going to be like a panic, and you know that panic is working quite quickly. So I'm going to be on the cautious side for today. So far, triple Q 0.80, SPY is up 0.42. The strongest sector, it's a semicon sector, definitely. NVIDIA is up 2.74%. Even Tesla, Reddit are strong as I've seen. mRNA, Hood again higher. AVGO, AFRM, PLTR, Google again is still stretching. Amazing, actually. And to the short side, I'm going to watch Unity is up or down, sorry, more often, almost like 6%. AMD 5.20. Baba is down as well as Louis just mentioned that the Chinese stocks are quite weak. Disney, Netflix, Pepsi, J&J, XOM, Walmart, JP Morgan, slightly red. Not huge red, but slightly red indeed. All right, traders. So today is going to be an interesting day again, I would say, as always. But nowadays, it's starting to be really, really extended, and seems like that the bulls just just cannot stay out of the play, first of all. Second, I must tell you that there are still no sellers. Like I've told you one day when we've seen this quite of a, let's call it like a small sell-off, I mentioned you that I cannot feel the selling pressure, and definitely selling pressure is still not here. Maybe it's going to arrive on one day, but seems like that this day is not that day. Never say never on that market. Okay, traders. So far, I'm going to wait for signs for a continuation. First of all, to the upside, if you are going to miss that or there won't be any continuation, I'm going to go with the extended stocks. Which ones are the extended stocks? Well, definitely like Google, I would say it's very extended. I was watching actually even like Meta, a little bit pushed to the lower side. AVGO is still green, but this is a little bit extended. Reddit, Roblox, and you know, my favorites there indeed. CBRL and DRI can be definitely or short candidates for today. I am watching them. DRI definitely, CBRL. I'm just going to call it to this chart. Just a second. CBR. CBRL. Okay, Cracker Barrel looks like it's a nice continuation indeed. We will see it soon. All right, traders. So far, so good. Nice continuation on the market question for how long we are going to see this crazy continuation. And now a question. How was your yesterday afternoon if you were trading the Fed meeting? Please just let me know. And how was your afternoon? I hope in green. However, it was completely crazy in my opinion, indeed. I did not trade it, unfortunately. If I would have traded it, I'm sure I'm going to, I would have been here with you. Tesla long nits are nice, okay. You you seem like you really like Tesla this month, don't you? And there is a reason for that. Nice trading on the Tesla, actually. Well done on the upside bounce. Yeah, I've seen that. Actually, it was just a sell-off, and after that, during this Q&A or towards to the end of the Q&A, it was like a really nice pushback on the overall market. Well done. I'm proud of you indeed. Okay, as I've seen, it was like a quite of a roller coaster, guys. Crazy, really crazy. Okay. Good morning, and nice to see you. Okay, guys, just a second. I'm just going to connect Amir. Hi, Amir. How are you today? Hope you can hear me. Not too much. Just the usual thing, you know. Market is running up. Okay. I think you are in the room.
Hi, room. What's going on with the room? Sound check quickly.
Okay. Guys, please just let us know if you can hear Amir right.
You don't have to, but if you want to, don't have to.
Okay. Yes,
Okay,
Andrew B,
good.
Ninja
Good
BB,
morning.
so
Good
everyone can
morning.
hear you.
Okay, sound
Fantastic.
clear. Good. What's on your radar today, Agi?
Ooh, quite a lot, like INTC, NVO, IO1Q, CRWD maybe. This is a kind of a big mover. And to the short side, CBRL and DRI, and maybe AMD, because this is acting
Yeah,
quite
AMD,
weird.
really good candidate. Yeah,
Yeah, it
AMD
is.
looks. Yeah.
Yes, it is. So, well, let's see. It looks like the market is still like in a bullish fever. But I don't know. I just thought to the guys, like I've just seen like 60, 70% of the time after the Federal decision, no matter what's the outcome, but market is sold off later. I don't know if it's going to happen, but I'm going to be cautious on that. Okay.
Also, we need to watch Nvidia. Um, all of this Chinese stuff, we need to watch it. And there is an IPO for a few weeks ago that was on the news on the first day, and like all the others, was ripping up. BLSH, also it's on my radar.
This is
Um,
for me as well.
yeah, I have a list. Like for example, on I told you I have a watch list. Got into yesterday, I think, to FIG. Um, it's in a nice gap, but didn't do exactly finish in the middle, so I don't know. But it's a good candidate, and we need to follow them.
hmm Okay, sounds great.
Also,
RGTI, I'm going to watch.
also a stock. There's nothing really today. Today there is a gap, but I don't know why. I'm watching also the Lululemon on the swing area.
Lululemon.
Uh, not right
Okay.
now, but definitely there was a really, I don't know why it's crashing all the time. The women
Yeah.
in my house buying the Lulu, it's the most expensive one, so I don't know what's
Uh,
going on there. There is a not correlation
maybe because
between,
of that. Who
yeah,
knows?
there's no correlation here, Aggie. There's no
No,
correlation between,
not really.
yeah.
Hmm. Okay.
I think I got out of the, just a second. Uh, yeah, okay. I got out by mistake from the room, but the feed is okay, so
Yeah, you are in. You are in.
okay,
I can
okay.
hear you at least. Hope the
Yeah,
guys
yeah,
can
yeah,
hear
yeah,
you.
yeah.
Yes,
Now I
they
got
can.
out.
They
I
can.
didn't see the. Yeah. So the Lululemon price are with no correlation to the stocks price. Did you see what happened in the middle of the day in what's her name? Open yesterday. It did the double top.
Yes, I just took it off my radar, and it was such a beautiful opportunity. Did you trade it yesterday?
A little bit higher, like very scalping, but lucky me. Yeah, like let's see what happened around
Yes.
the double top, like around what was the number? Ten
Wait, I'm just going
something.
to get it
There
in.
was like a
Uh,
44 million shares in like five
Wow.
minutes. Somebody was prepared pretty nice, and
Mm,
they did like a $1.4. So just so you know, put the do the multiply. 44 millions around 1 point something dollar.
wow.
Somebody did like almost $50 million. Yeah,
Wow. It's
yeah,
crazy.
it's
That
really
was
wow.
quite of a big drop, but it happened. Yeah, I see
No,
that.
no, but this was a drop like really organized. Like when you start shorting like 44 million shares,
Hmm.
you need to prepare, Aggie.
That's for sure. That's for sure. It's like not just
Even
for
you need
one
to
minute,
prepare, Aggie,
right?
with 44 million shares, huh, Aggie?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Even with 4,000, we need to prepare now for 4 million.
yeah. You need
Oh
all
my
the
goodness.
town to short it, all your
Yeah,
town.
just call everyone.
Yeah, call in the neighborhood.
Discord channel, sell. Oh
Yeah.
my goodness. Okay, guys, good luck, everyone. We just started. And let's see whether the market is going to sell off. I don't think so, though, but let's see. AMD is selling off quite ugly. DRI too. Oracle is up again. You kidding me?
No, Oracle used to do a lot of. There was a lot of sell-off in the last few
I
days.
know.
So
It's crazy. Okay, NVIDIA is strong. GTI. Going to watch IONQ and NVO today. Really like them.
we also can watch Rigetti.
Yes, RGTI.
Same family.
Yeah, it's on my
Different
radar too.
different brothers, but same family.
Yeah.
Brother, sister, we
Okay.
need to be open-minded. Yeah.
Hi, Ravindra. Nice to see you. Oh, and INTC. I forgot INTC on my list. Here we are. Okay.
Interested
NVIDIA is
name, Ravindra.
buying.
Where are you from? Ravindra.
I think India.
Yeah, yeah, that's what I thought. But I wanted her to participate and say that, Aggie.
Sorry.
Don't jump, Aggie. You need to open door off.
Okay, CBRL I'm watching too. SPY triple Q pushing higher, of course.
Yeah.
Google. Ooh, MU. Your love and hate relationship is just
They
pushing
have
higher.
earning today, Aggie.
MU has earnings today? How could I
Yeah.
miss that? Oh wow.
Usually, everything is fucked up in MU. Everything, when
Okay.
everybody already prepare for the next earning, MU will do
Mm.
the first one. I want to see something, a quick scalp to see in AMD. What's the high here? 151. I want to see 151. I want to scalp it. I'm not going to give it more than 50 cents. 151 AMD. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Did double bottom for the low, almost the low of the pre-market. Hopefully the low, but 151, 50 cents.
Okay.
I succeed to
CBRL
write it to you guys, AMD.
just broke down, unfortunately. Yeah, PLTR, I'm just checking it now. Unfortunately, it's just too late to join now. MU higher, Tesla is higher, two traders, NVIDIA is pushing definitely. INTC and VO, I'm waiting for a
Okay, guys,
reversal.
60 cents, 70. And now
Nice.
stop is under the entry. Let's see if we can get a dollar. 1 to 2. The volume increase, so I'm okay with that. No partial yet. Just watching the level 2. I don't have the 9, nothing. Because I
Mm,
just watched the level 2, 70 cents. If it's drop under 50, I'm going to take a partial. Need to go immediately. If not, let's see. Yeah, I took a partial. Less than what I expected, but I took only half, not three quarter. Stop is under the entry. I want to see if we can get to, yeah, even more than 151. Now I'll be more patient with the half position, not 52. Would
mm,
like to see whether we can even do to 53, something like this, because I see the volumes still continue. We're just watching the market, and because of the candle, I took 1 to 1, which I don't usually take, but definitely. Stop is under the entry, so that's gonna be a winning trade for sure. Okay,
nice.
let's see 152. Okay, we have a dollar. I'm not taking a partial here. It's doing good job right now. Solid volume. Um, Nvidia.
Yeah,
I
crazy.
need for correction. Yeah. Okay, 152.30. No. I'm raising stop 151.50 under 151.50. I'm doing a little bit different, you know, tradings here because, okay. Always you need to, to imagine or know exactly what are you going to do.
Yeah.
Because if you freeze, you're fucked up. That's it. You're not allowed to freeze. You're not allowed to freeze.
Yeah, I'm going to get INTC over 3150
The ask is
traders.
still above. The ask is still above, so I'm still there. Okay, okay. Previous high 52.28. Let's see if we can break it.
Google breaking out. It's amazing. RGTI broke.
Okay, I'm out.
PLTR.
So
Wow.
got 1 to 1, but yeah, that's what we got. Yeah, I was waiting a little bit more, but nobody cared. So next trade. I wanted Aggie to do exactly like CRWD do. You see, that's the case. Sometimes you have candidates. You take the one it's doing, but the other one doing much better, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, and you never know.
You
Never know
never know,
which
of
one's
course.
going to
It's
be that,
sometimes it's
right?
a hint. You see something and you want to be involved. Look at CRWD. What a beautiful, wow, bar by bar. And again, I'm not even relate to the price. This is 470. This is what I don't care. I'm just watching. The volume.
Mm-hmm.
The Are you an IO in Q, Aggie?
Yes, I just entered INTC, not IONQ yet.
Ah, okay. INTC.
INQ, I did not take it. But these quantum computing stocks are just crazy. Jet is going, QBTS, NVIDIA though coming back with Tesla. Open again. Open. Look at this open, Amir.
Yeah, yeah,
Huh,
yeah. I'm watching
pushing
it.
again.
I think above 1040. I'm gonna take it with, yeah. It's broke the 1040 like 5 cents. Above 1040, I'm gonna give it not more than 12 cents, guys. Open 1040, 12 cents stop. Yeah. Again, it's gonna be scalp also here, like in AMD. Above 40. I want to see the bid going above. I'm in a scalper mood. I took a knife, I hold it in my teeth, and I'm going to scalp everything today. Yeah, okay. Open not relevant, guys.
Okay, open, it's coming back. Ooh, Tesla. Oh, come on, INTC. That's ugly. Just got in and coming down. Ah, this overall market seems like a bit exhausted for me, actually. Let's see. Oh, INTC, come on. NVIDIA is lower. Okay.
Okay, Nvidia is coming. It's going nicely, and hmm, well, okay.
Let's just go with my usual play. TQQQ. Fortunately, INTC needs to be out under the lows, traders. TQQQ is going to be under the lows. Let's see. And I'm going to take it under 144. SPY triple Q pulling back a bit. So I try to go with the flow. If this flow is going to be sell the news, then this is going to happen there. I'm in TQQQ. I want to go for 100 for the first partial. And unfortunately, INTC is going to be out under the low of the day. NVO is still holding nicely, Amir. What do you think about NVO?
Which one?
NVO.
I
NVO.
didn't watch the video.
It got some good news about their obesity drug.
As I see it immediately now, uh, I'm watching it with the pre-market.
Hmm?
Looks good for a short under 61.20, Aggie. So basically, we need to see
Mm.
how it's gonna do the. I'm gonna put it. Thank you. I'm gonna put it on my chart. Look interesting.
Okay.
News buyers will come, but immediately I see this double top on the pre-market, sell off towards the opening, and immediately dropping. So if it's,
Nice.
you know what, guys, 6120 NVO. Just a second, I need to do small research about NVO just to know who I'm dealing with regarding ATR institutional coin. This. ATR 1.7. Denmark. Denmark. Wow, okay.
Yeah.
It's a Danish company.
Yes, it is.
Yeah? Good morning. I don't know what's the Danish. The Danish.
Nice accent, at least.
Yeah, yeah. Maybe it's Swedish, but not Danish. I don't know what's the Danish accent. Okay, let's see. Um, yeah, 61.20, and yeah, 30 cent stop, guys. NVO. That's my NVO. Let me write you. Today we have time. 61.20, 30 cents. Somebody took the AMD. I forgot to ask. Succeed. Basically, you had time, and basically we managed it here. So probably, yeah. Okay, Mr. LA, you took it very well, very well.
Which one?
Buzak.
Oh, nice. Dicking Reddit? I hate Reddit. He's just tricked me so many times. And
Don't
it's
use
still
the
so
trigger on
slow.
on Aggie.
Ah.
Then you're gonna say Reddit, and then you say Roblox, and then Aggie is not here. So keep Aggie safe. Don't
Thank
mention
you.
and let her trade. Yeah. Tell her TQQQ. With
Yeah, I'm
TQQQ, she
in.
feel at home. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm in TQQQ. INTC is
Yeah.
out. And my daughter, she's just, I think she's blowing up the house in the meantime. But hopefully TQQQ is going to get lower now.
No, no, no. INTC is under the view up. It's like, yeah, it's
Mm,
struggle.
it's struggling, yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
definitely. Like it
I want to
anymore.
try Rigetti. 2320. Yeah. But let's see.
Nice.
Rigetti. It's in a good area here. Let me put it on my
Okay.
pre-market.
Traders
Yeah.
TQQQ 40 cents. I'm just taking 75% off as usual. 100, and I'm going to put my stop loss over 144. So one loser, one winner. But TQQQ was a really nice winner. I was a little bit stretched again on the share size.
Guys, I want to scalp Nvidia. Ridiculous stop if it's going to hold it. 173.50. Stop going to be 30 cents, guy. Again, told you today I'm in a scalping mode.
Yeah,
73.50 and 30 cents stop.
I think it's a
Yeah,
long, isn't it?
yeah, definitely.
It's a
Nvidia,
long
here I have
ticking.
time today. Yeah, 173.50.
Come on,
Has to move
Dicky.
immediately. Yeah,
I'm
30
not going to
cents.
touch Roblox unless it's not breaking 135.80.
Okay, Rigetti not relevant. It just dropped that
Yeah.
level. Okay, I forgot to say, guy, NVO in. I put an order. 6120. Yeah,
NVO.
yeah,
You're shorting it, right?
yeah. I told you.
Mm-hmm.
6120, 30 cent stop. Today the stops are pretty small, Aggie.
Mm.
Okay, Nvidia not relevant. Just broke. Maybe we can buy it cheaper.
Mm? Next.
NVO, okay, give me a break.
I know, this can be a quite of a headache, this
Uh,
stock sometimes.
and my stop is above 50, guys, like 30 cents. That's the key. I'm not gonna fight, and if I need to, I will do it second time. Okay, Nvidia. Still watching Nvidia with the market. Let's see. Yeah, I want to take Nvidia again. Same trigger, 173.50. Stop gonna be now 50 cents. Okay, the low of the day.
Nice. Google is moving down too. I'm still holding the TQQQ traders, stop loss over the entry, and I still cannot decide though that this is a sell-off even finally on this market, because in this case I'm ready to target the overpriced stocks like, for example, Google under the low. It is risky. Don't repeat at home. But I just cannot resist it. Lower share size, definitely.
Tara, you are late.
Hi,
Beer on
Tara.
you today. Beer on you
She's not
today. That's
late.
it. She said
Party's
hello,
just
so
just begun.
oh, she's late. She need to be here 10 minutes at least, 30 minutes before. She's from Swiss. She need to be accurate like the Swiss. What's going on? She's not in Spain that she can come an hour late. She is in Swiss.
Like a Swiss clock.
Yeah,
INTC back at
like a
VWAP
clock.
again. Yes,
Yeah.
really, INTC is back. I was not holding on INTC, but it still looks great over 31.55.
Okay, NVO. Love it. Love what he did. Did the retest and boom. Now, what I want to do, I want to see the volume. I want to be aggressive and even add under 61. What's the volume here? That's amazing. What's the low of the day? No, 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 I'm not gonna. Low of the day 1693. No, I'm not gonna add. I'm full size, but not gonna add.
Nice, Tara.
ORBS, Alex. It's a small cap, Agel, Alex.
I like
Nvidia
small
out.
caps.
Nvidia in. Why out? What's going on? You again? Your screen is upside down, John. What's going on?
TQQQ is out, guys. TQQQ is definitely out. And
ORBS. Let me see, po. Alex tried to tease me with some
yeah,
small cap. I'm rehab. Told you I'm rehab.
still? Oh, I thought you were out from the
No, no.
rehab
In
already.
the day, yes. No, enough 4 o'clock, 4 a.m. Maggie. Nuts. Not for me.
I see.
No, 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 no. Um,
Okay.
ORBS. For me, Alex Smith still small cap is under 10. Like if it's 30, it's not small cap for me. What's going on with this stock? Wow. I don't
Ah,
have a trigger here. Sorry.
market bulls are back again, guys. Pushing it to the highs. MBLY it's moving today. I should keep an eye on that for a possible swing, I think, over 15. TQQQ is
Okay.
out, as I
Nvidia
said.
did like a 50 cents and blah and blah blah blah. Okay.
Netflix. I'm watching.
OBS. Let me put OBS here.
Okay. Seems like we are going to get a new all-time high soon, guys. Be ready. My Google has not entered.
I don't see the reflection in the stocks, Agi.
No, I cannot
Nothing.
see it for weeks. One or two stocks, they are running, but
Oh yeah, yeah. It's all pick. You have to pick.
yeah,
You have to pick the
yeah,
right side, because sometimes spies up, Q down. This one is
yeah.
here. Like Apple, you remember yesterday it was up.
Yes.
Today it's down. It's like
It's crazy. No, for the market nowadays, it's if you see two big runners, it's enough
I
to push
like
the
it.
whole
You know what?
market.
I like it. Like it forces you to be really resilient and really focused. Like today, I'm kind of in the scalp mode, which is pretty good for me.
Yeah,
Like it's going. You take the partial. Sometimes it's a smaller one, but yeah,
yeah, this is
it's
scalping. Just helps to survive this environment, I would say, or to handle it well,
so,
not even survive.
scalping. You have to do, guys. There's something like like the a lot of I read it like professional trades. They need to have like they call it the easy money,
Mm,
something that you can do every day. It doesn't mean it's like the bread and the butter. It's not the cake,
yeah,
like the big huge trade, but you need to different variation of scalping, in a certain thing. It's the best thing, you
yeah,
can know you exactly, and boom bam boom.
yeah.
Sometimes you can take a small stop, get quick. What happened after that, you don't care. The stock can go up, whatever. But oh,
Mm.
spaghetti. Um, spaghetti. If it's coming back again, I was talking, I didn't see that. 23.11. 23.11 with a 30-cent stop. Okay, got into Rigetti. Sorry, guys. It
Mm.
was,
This is just back to.
yeah, it just came back. Sometimes I'm throwing an order, and when it's doing the retest, I get in. High of the day, it's like 50 cents from there, but I want to see if we can continue yesterday.
Yeah.
Okay, NVO above entry, I'm reducing. Stop still, half position will be original above 50. Um,
How about Apple? Apple is weak today again. Apple weak, Nvidia is strong, Google strong again. Crazy.
okay, Nvidia is doing a retest.
Yeah. Big one, I would say. Okay.
Shit, Aggie, look at the AMD. We did money, came back, got
Ah,
out.
yes, we
It
just
did
did the
exactly
reversal again.
153.74. Yeah,
A
I thought
rinse
it
and
can go.
repeat. Rinse and
Yeah,
repeat.
yeah.
Okay, SPY to Tokyo pushing to the highs.
Okay, IO and Q. IO and Q. 20 cents, but yeah, I'm not. You're not taking this trade for 20 cents.
Mm,
Okay, NVO.
please.
Exactly. I like
Nice
what he's
gap.
doing. He's doing retest all the time. Like this is the
Yes.
second time, and immediately it's coming back. So I'm still in the full position, and shit, definitely in high scale, it doesn't look that it wants to go down, and VO doesn't look good. I have an order like 61.35, 5 cents above entry. I'm reducing half, and above 50, I have another half. Nvidia still there. Stop is under the low of the day, 73, 94, something like this. Spaghetti, Mama
Haha.
Spaghetti. We are getting spaghetti.
TSM for short, Buzak. Just
Guys, quick
checking.
question, quick answer. Don't look at the Google. Mom Spaghetti is the restaurant of which musician? You have this restaurant. Quick, Mom Spaghetti. It's even appear in one of his songs. Nobody knows. Aggie, you're not familiar with music? That's level
Mm.
2. You are the man. You're the man, Eminem. Exactly. Yeah, I can
Nice
put you
level two.
quizzes. Yeah, yeah. We need participation, Aggie. For that, we're gonna do everything, and I love music,
That's for
so
sure.
yeah. Eminem. Okay, Rigetti. Really good, really good. That's exactly we were waiting 55 cents. I want to see if we can actually squeeze it a little bit more. I want to see. Wow, the daily of Rigetti looks amazing.
Yes, it does. I was just
Yeah.
joining to your treat as well. I really liked it. Of course, Google is not going to be an entry, guys. It's
Okay,
just pushing
60
higher.
cents. Okay, let's see if we can get toward the 24. Nvidia is still holding. What about NVO? Yeah, NVO. NVO, yeah, 2 cents. I'm gonna reduce half. Yeah. When you look in different time scale, the more the time scale is bigger. Yeah, you know what? In 5 minutes, it's not clear, but I see two green bars. 15 minutes. It's too soon.
Don't tease me, Deaking. Don't tease me with the Reddit. Let's see. And you know I'm going to check it.
King, I'm gonna turn you to a prince instead of a king if you're gonna mention this. You don't want to be a
My
prince,
goodness.
okay?
And look at the daily of the Reddit. It's just wow.
I'm not
Insane,
watching it.
guys.
I'm not watching it. I have
MU.
still.
Yeah.
Um,
Strong. MU is
I'm
strong.
watching Oracle. What's the low? 292. Yeah, I'm watching Oracle. I want to see if we can actually short it, but I'm just watching. It's not ready. Reddit, not Reddit. Sorry, Rigetti. Rigetti looks still good. No partial yet. 75. I want to see if we can get another like. Oh my God, AMD. Yeah.
Yeah. And
What
still
can we do?
pushing higher. Crazy.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I knew it could do, but yeah. So we're in Nvidia 173.50, and definitely if we break in 174 and something above VWAP, wow, can be a really good trade. Okay, guy, Rigati. Oh, mama. 70. Let's see, 80. What's the. What I'm going to do is. With Rigati, sorry. I'm going to start doing the trailing. Wow, here's 95. Under
Wow.
94, I'm going to take a partial.
Yeah. I'm
Yeah.
ready to take the
Mom
partial too.
spaghetti. Yeah, no, no,
Very
not yet,
good.
Aggie. Not yet.
No, no,
Not
I'm
yet.
okay.
94. I have my. Oh, here it is, Aggie. Here it is. Under 24. Oh,
Beautiful. I just took
dollar.
my
Yeah,
partial
under
too.
24, we're going to take a partial.
Thank you, Rigetti.
Let's see.
And
Here's
Amir.
dollar. Here's dollar. Yeah, took a partial. 90 something cents. But Uchimama. That's good. Really. You see, guys, sometimes the patient is was, you could take a partial in 34, in 30 cents, in 45, but why?
Hmm.
You could actually do lower 2 minutes or in certain, waiting for the resistance, the round number. But you see, even the round number, I was waiting 5 cents under and then it broke in like 10 cents. And sometimes this is the difference between an amazing trade and okay trade. So that was like 30 cents and the partial was 3 times.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, uh, as I was expecting, half position I'm out in VO and stop is above 50. Yeah, yeah, it's but it will be half loss, so it's fine. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I told you the time scale. Then you can ask me why did I went go out because you never know what's gonna happen. But you reduce, so then your losses will be smaller. Like 3 times the partial, 3 times in our GTI, and here the loss is half position, half size. So that's the correlation between the ratio, winner and Rigetti. Where is the next partial? Probably something around 2450 randomly, just a round number, before I'm going to take. And Nvidia, guys, Nvidia is going okay.
Yeah, it looks better
Uh,
now. Ooh,
yeah.
Rigetti, beautiful. Go, go, go.
I want to see
Should be fast
174.10,
too.
something like this. I'm going to add more. I want to increase my size. I'm full and I want to be more. Because look at the market. SPY is new high, Q is new high, and Nvidia is positive, but now it can push everything. You took the Rigetti, guys.
I hope so they did.
Yeah. Stand up trading? No, not stand up. I'm like, I feel
Ah,
comfortable
need some.
between the chart. Between the chart, between you and between Aggie. So that's what you get. Yeah. In the past, it's funny that you mentioned that we in the trade net room. I think there was Danny, and we were talking once that it could be funny, between trader to do stand-up comedy, and then
Yes.
we can raise our own joke that nobody cares about us. Nobody knows about this and nobody cares. Raising typical stocks with the attitude, and everybody will have meaning for that, except us, nobody. So,
Hmm.
so it's something that was spoken in the past.
Okay, SPY in the
Okay, Itzhak,
meantime, new
good.
all-time high. Just
Wow, look at
pushing higher.
Rigetti. What a reversal, huh, Aggie? Copy and
Beautiful.
paste, huh? Put it over my bedroom. This
Screen it
reversal.
out.
Do it again. Yeah. Look at this, everything. Like in 5 minutes, you have higher low, full bars, volume under increase. So that's really, this is a chart really to, and I like it because I was watching Rigetti just because what happened yesterday with INQ, same sector. Look what INQ did, look what Rigetti. So sometimes one of the stocks from that sector is much more ahead, and it's better to do it. And this is why I was watching, the Rigetti. Nvidia, I told you, 174.10, I'm going to add more, which is almost right now.
Okay. And Reddit, you were right. It was teasing me for a long, actually, now.
Who is teasing you? The prince?
No, the Reddit.
Ah, the prince. No, but the prince mentioned the Reddit, so. Okay, guys. Good start. Let's see. Good start. Good vibes. The winner much better than one loser. But okay, Nvidia. Now it's double size. Sometimes you need to put your size in. Where you see. Next candle will be crucial, which is let's say a few seconds. I want to see if we can break 174.30, something like this with good volume. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, TQQQ was nice. She's pushing higher now, together with the market, of course.
Wow, we get it, guys. Taking another partial here. Yeah, taking a partial here, 46. It's good. $1.3 on that trade. And stop right now. I don't know. I don't know where's my
Ah,
stop yet.
INTC, it's very flat now, Nitz, and I'm not sure I want to touch it actually. Whole market is just exploding again, and this is just hovering around the VWAP. Might I'm just going to leave it alone.
Litzan, look at INTC. Give me a break. It's really it's a fucked up chart. Look at the view up. It's like holding the VAP like a baby holds his mom. All the bars on the view up, spikes here, spikes there, spikes here. You don't know where it's going. Why? Nothing is sure there. You have the first five, you have the first bar, and then side move nothing. Just ignore it. Just because you mention it and you trade it, doesn't mean that it's no. You need something that already did them. Okay, Nvidia really good. I want to see the partial around 175, something the high.
Okay. I see even Tesla is starting to be stronger now.
Yeah, I was watching
QBTS.
it, but it's not
Yeah.
clear.
QBTS is quite strong too.
Hey, oh, come on, I want to see. What do you think about Oracle, Aggie? Aggie,
Which one? Oracle.
Oracle,
Let me just
Oracle.
check it. That was a dump in the morning. I guess it's reversing, of course. 297. Hmm. Looks interesting. Everything is just got a boost to the higher again. Okay. MU again. Everyone wants to trade MU today. I'm not
MU.
speculating. And it's just pushing higher.
Wow, yeah, looking good. Oracle on the wow has a big can be there is a really wow Rigetti. It's okay. Rigetti. It's not mom spaghetti. It's mom spaghetti and meatballs. Really, that's the whole dinner. You see what I'm watching with Oracle? It looks really nice, the 297, but because the big red bar, I'm kind of thinking maybe it's a trap there. But
Hmm.
297 looks really good, Aggie. Like the view
Yeah,
up and everything
yeah,
is
yeah.
there, but
I like it too, but
I don't know. I have kind of,
yes, we have stronger stocks today, I would say, they
I
opened
have
with
kind of,
that.
not so sure.
Okay. Uh, I'm going to be back soon, Amir. Just a second.
No problem.
You?
No problem. How old is your kid? And it's like, don't don't drink and drive. Don't trade when your kids is on your knees. It's not good focus. Hymns. Wow, Rigetti, guys. Who is still in Rigetti? Who is still in Rigetti? Gonna get a 1 minute free mentoring with me. It's Rak. Nice. She was asleep. Okay, so you're trading with a sleeping baby. OMG. Not good. Not good. Just put a mattress next to you. Put the baby there. You got out. 50 cents. Why? We are now getting towards $1.7. Okay? Itzhak is dancing on the table. How big is this trade is? So, guys, those that trade have meaning for your P&L. Exactly. Look at the charts. I don't know if Aggie puts Rigetti. Just put 5 minutes on Rigetti. Masterpiece. Nvidia. Yeah, rock and roll, guys. Rock and roll. Those trades, rock and roll, really. Rock and roll. So 173.50 we got in. 174.10 we added. Some double size in high of the day. 75.38. Yeah, you can take something here if you want. I'm waiting a little bit. 175. It's a really good partial. And I'm waiting yet still. Yeah, in 5 minutes looks amazing. The video. I have good trade today, really. Good trades. Really. It's a good trade. Trade that's going with us. Really nice. You know what, Alex? Feel comfortable. Let's watch to see if we have some small cap. What do you think? Let's see if we have something that can catch our eyes. BLSH. Yeah, thank you. I'm gonna watch it. I wanted to. Wow. Where is it? Where I don't see the view. Okay. Um, it's another view, Bozak. Uh, you know what? If I could see earlier, 58.50. Just a second. I got alert for something. No problem. Yeah, yeah. No, no problem. I'll be here, Aggie. It's fine. Yeah. You're welcome. You have a dentist? Okay. Bye bye. Okay, guys. Aggie had to. Yeah. So we're gonna be just you and me, guys, until the end. Hope it's fun with you. If you have any question, guys, want me to look about stocks, you want to ask question, that's the time, not just trigger. We need to learn. SMR. SMR, we need to wait for retracement. You want to short it? You want to do a mean reversion? I don't know yet. The volume increased there, so I'm not so sure. Oh, cool. As I was expecting. This is why I didn't want to take it up. Oracle is something I think I want to think about shorting it. Um, 296.50. Yeah. Under 296.50 with a dollar stop. That's what I want to do with Oracle. Okay? Oracle under 296.50. $1 stop. Okay. Nvidia. Again. If it's not succeed to take the 75, guys, I'm going to take the first partial. Okay? Alex, I'm watching ORBS right now. Um, Not Alex. Alex mentioned it the first time. Uh, Over 1430, which is right now, stop gonna be like 30 cents, guys. 1430, you can even buy here right now. 35 doesn't matter. The stop gonna be under 14. Okay, and I'm waiting for Oracle. Guys, who is still in Nvidia? Oh. Nvidia. Let it grow, let it grow. Who's still in Nvidia? Good, good, good. Okay, we broke it like 13 cents. Not gonna give it. If it's going under now 75, with you, I'm taking the first partial. Yeah, under 95. Still full position. I'm gonna tell you exactly where I'm gonna do it. I'm just watching the level too. I don't like when it's breaking round numbers. That's just doing like a 10 cents and immediately showing weakness. I want to see. Yeah, very short trade on ORBS. Okay, let's see if we can get over 175.13. Still no partial in Nvidia. Okay, good, good. Again, patient. You see, 75.15. Let's see more high of the day around 75.40. Okay, what's the market is doing? Red candle, 70.10. I'm taking a partial right now, 75.10. Yeah, first partial in Nvidia, which give us like $1.60. Yeah, Oracle, not relevant. Yeah. No, half. Right now, half. No, no, not three quarters. Three quarter usually if I'm doing a scalp, except today in AMD, I did because it was a different one, but no, half position. Half position Nvidia. We can raise the stop under the first entry, 73.50. I'm not even thinking about it right now. Where is the next partial? I'm going to see maybe around 177 area. I'm watching it on 30 minutes. As I told you all the time, you need to know in advance what's your mission, what you're expecting to, where is your stop, where is the next partial, so everything will be clear. Open today is a big mess. BLSH. Good luck for you. Yeah. Um, I thought it's around the view up, so give me 1 second. Nvidia, guys. Let it grow, let it grow. Really beautiful. See how many trades with Edge? We have the Rigetti, we have the Nvidia. Not just simple, trades, few cents and out. Trade with Edge that going and going, and it's beautiful. Really. What else? What other stock are you watching, guys? Or you trade today, guys? Share it with me. Let's see. BMNR? Oh. Yeah, I saw. No, no, it's under the view of under the 9. I'm not interested. Thank you. Intel, Hood, Nvidia. Hood and Baba. Let's see. Hood. Yeah, tight range in Hood, but yeah, can watch it. Baba. Wow. Gee, Oracle. So that area that I thought it's not going to be a long and going to be they're going to do a trick. They didn't. Didn't do a trick. Nvidia. Love it. Okay, well, we have a new high. Again, 77 is my area. Yeah. I didn't see BMNR, Itzhak. BMNR. You know which stock I like here? PayPal. PYPL. 69.42. Want to see the give me a second. The relevant volume is not amazing. 1.67. 69.40. You know what? Let's do PayPal. Above 20 cents. Do you see? Like yesterday, you told me in thank you, OG. Yesterday, you told me you didn't see my when I'm putting my email. Do you see the trigger on PayPal? Yeah, OG. The I was talking with the guys earlier. The trade with Rigetti, copy paste, picture on the wall, everything there, you know. The right spot, support of the 9 and the VWAP, higher low, every volume, every bar, higher low. The volume under increase like it was textbook. Do you see the trigger on PayPal? I have to ask Agi what's going on. You don't see what I write PayPal? Really? What's going on? I have to give me a second. I will just. She's not gonna see it here, but I'm gonna have to write Agi. I don't know what's going on though. Um, okay. I I wrote Agi. I don't know. I thought you seen that. 69.40 guys, and you know a 69.50. Yeah, 30 cents top. So so you don't see anything, huh? When I write, I just want to see something else, to do something else. Give me a second. Okay, PayPal in, guys. Ah, you saw the Oracle, but you didn't see the PayPal? PayPal. Here, I copy what I wrote. Tell me if you see it, guys. I posted right now. PayPal, 69.40, 20 cents. You see it? You see the post? You're not. Wow, this is weird. Ah, okay. I wrote Aggie. We got the best minds to see what's going on. Okay, PayPal. I got a little bit late, because but if you got it above 40, yeah, it's 20 cents in the money. Okay, PayPal. Nice. Go, go. Let it go, let it go. Yeah, we'll figure out. Your baby back to sleep and PayPal. Let's see if we can carry it towards the 70. Yeah, high of the day, 70.30. Wow, guys, daily of PayPal. Wow, above 70, 75. Wow, there is a beautiful every shape you can see. So let's see if we're gonna finish maybe at the high, maybe a small part I can leave for a swing. But look at the daily. Daily of PayPal looks really good. Yeah, really good. She wants you to buy PayPal. Yeah. Okay. Tell her to bring her home funds. Small grill from today. Ravindra. What trade did you take? Ravindra. Yeah, I heard that you got news. Something, yeah. I know. Yeah, yeah. Even though those kind of news need to break it really high. It's not an amazing high, yeah? AMD and VO. Okay. Yeah, AMD was a trade. Yeah. Was a green trade. Yeah, if you took only those two, yeah, you're green, small green, correct. If you had also Nvidia and Rigetti, then you will be really green. Yeah, because AMD gave us, 1-to-1, and NVO reduced and half lost. So I think NVO was the only loss that I had today. Alex, you don't have any small cap, Alex. I don't see anything. Really, it's really dry today. I don't see there is one now. It's there is APVO, but it's not cooked. No. Guzman, your BLSH working really good. Good for you. Good for you that you took it. Good for you that you took the BLSH. Really. Uh, yeah, CDLX was yesterday something I remember. CDLX. Wow, it's weird. We can play with CLDX, even though I don't know what's the edge here. Um, what's the low here? 2. Yeah, I'm gonna buy like a 30% here, 30-cent stop. You know what, Alex? I have money to spend. Above 30, with 30-cent stop. What's the high? 244. Yeah, why not? Citron. It's a great stock. Yeah. Why? Because they're already there from, let's see where they bought it. I can see. Probably they bought it around 1. You know what? It's funny. I have to check my Twitter. I'm following them because exactly from, I want to get some notice for things that they say, but but it's been a while since I see them, so probably I need to see. They have the picture with the lemon, correct, Alex, on the Twitter. If I'm not correct. Okay, so Alex, everybody, I got into CDLX, not a big size, 30 cent stop. Bought it to 30, stop is under 3, 2. Hopefully it's going to get to 10. Okay, so let's see. If it's good, tell me thanks. If not, tell it to Alex. So right now I'm still in last portion in Rigetti, Nvidia, and new trade CDLX, sorry. No, no, no. I don't like what he's doing there. I don't like the formation it's on. No, 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 not for me. Really not. Okay, CDLX, we broke the high. You see, look at CDLX. There is, okay, boom, boom. Really good. Okay, 1 to 1. Again, here, I'm start to watch those trades I'm taking for the big move. We have some resistance on the daily, 320. Okay, so it's gonna give us almost $1. That's the first area. And second area, definitely around 4 when I want to see if we can get even to 5. Let's see. Right now it looks good. Volume increase. Alex, did you take the CDLX? Guys, somebody else took it? Again, in this case, put a hard stop under 2, guys. Few cents under. Don't rely on, you know, evil trader, whatever. You don't want to be there. You are? Okay. Love the candle. Okay. So we know 320 is at least is the first area for partial. Somebody in the room saw a nice rock concert in the last few months. Some good show. Oh, where did you see it? Nitzan. Ah, really? Yeah, I was there also. It's funny. GNR is, I like them. You just can't not, you know. I have better stocks. You know, a band that actually influenced me better. But because it was different occasion, That's the band that I saw the most show. Like I saw 3 times. Yeah. Yeah, he doesn't have the same voice, but very impressive. Somebody here is from London, guys, from England. Tesla. No, it's too expensive, Buzak, to buy Tesla right now. No. So last year I went to see David Gilmour in Albert Hall. It's a really nice place in London. It was a really amazing show. Okay, guys, new high, CDLX 62. Okay. Ah, he's the son, John. The son, I think I saw some interview with him. It's the son of Frank Zappa, correct? He's also a really good guitarist, I think. He sing. He sing or not? Or just play the guitar? I just saw an interview with him. Ah, of course, he plays father stuff, yeah? If my father was Frank Zappa, I would play also. You have, the son that played the father. It's like the guy is the son of Eddie Van Halen. What's his name? The big guy. So there is his son is like all over playing with his father guitars and playing his stuff. Yeah, Wolfgang Van Halen. Yeah, yeah. I saw that he was participating. Where did I see him? There was a concert I think 2 years ago. They did tribute to the drummers of the Foo Fighter. That died. So I think I saw him there playing and definitely know the job. He's a big guy, and you think when you see it looks like clumsy, but when you actually hold the guitar, magic happen. So PLTR short if gets under V up and holds for a moment. Looks like the bounce was weak. Okay, I will be happy to watch it. Give me a second. I need to put CDLX here. Okay. And PLTR. This is a good question before I even watch this talk. That's what I want to. Why do you feel you want to short it, Alex? Why not, Nitan? Why not? PayPal, I told you. I have an order 69.95. 96 even. I put it, sorry. Yeah? Put it on 2 minutes. Not 2 minutes, sorry. Put it on 5 minutes. This looks amazing. PLTR, okay, let's go back, Alex. Why? Just because 70 it's a round number, and it's gonna give me like almost good ratio for the partial. That's it. I don't know, Alex. I'm watching PLTR. Pretty strong today. Pretty solid on the pre-market. This is the second reversal. There was a one reversal in the morning. it's still holding the view up. So what you say can happen, and then it can bounce immediately. I don't know. It's a definitely stock that I will watch. Yeah, because it's coming out to a really good position and looks good. Looks good. On the high time frame, it looks like it's going down, but again, it's exactly in the support area. So Uzak, what do you mean? Reduce at entry. I know size, but I like very accuracy. Let's say I got into the stock at 52. Coming back, where do I reduce? 52? 53? 51? 50? 49? Everything need to be clear. What do you think? Okay. 49. Why? Why it's special about 49? What can happen a lot of times is, stock is going something, doing, maybe you take a partial or not, and then they come back to do a retest. Where's the retest? Okay? And again, nobody care where I got in. Nobody knows that I got 52, 51. We're talking about the 50 area, correct? Correct. Now the reverse, now the retest can be 54, 55, 53, 52, 49. The stock can fail and go back. Where do you know how to do it? Okay? Yeah, but 50 is our number. I usually take like a 10, like few percentage, like a 10% or something from the stop. 10, 15, like in this case, like 5, 6 cents under the 50. That was the area. If it would drop in under, then I would, reduce. Uh, Not reducing a cent under unless, and that's really, it's been a while since it's happened. If I'm taking a 10-cent stop, then I have to reduce like maybe 2 cents under because I have to keep the good ratio. Um, MU. Yeah, they have earnings, so this is a stock that actually, like we took Nvidia. If we were still there, just let it grow. Right now, there's nothing that we can do. Buzak, you need to get away from. Look at the time right now. We're getting toward lunchtime. Um, You need advantage. You want to buy the stock right now, so expensive, everybody could be happy to sell it for you. And then you will be fucked up. Now, at this time, you definitely need to. Like, look at Rigetti. Rigetti got in 5 minutes toward the VWAP from that area to the high. It was almost like $1. And now it reversals, so you have edge. In MU, you don't have edge. Yeah, yeah, I know. I know, OG. Thank you. I know. Alex, you see what's going on in PLTR? And definitely put PLTR on 15 minutes. You can see that in 15 minutes, which the candle now it's going to be closing in less than a minute. 174.76. Yeah, it's a good trigger. 174.85, something like this. In where is the stop? 85 cents. High of the day. Yeah, 1 to 2. Not the amazing one, but yeah. Oh, on the 23. Oh, next week. Thank you. Not so sure, Alex. Not so sure. Not so sure. Um, CDLX came back to the entry. Yeah, PLTR, I'm going to buy some. You know what? 74.65 with 65 cent stop. PLTR. Okay, PayPal. PayPal is pretty slow. What's going on there? Okay. Regarding to the lunchtime, I'm full straight. I'm in Nvidia, Rigetti, CDLX, PayPal, and now also in PLTR. Okay. Hopefully, I'm gonna get a partial in at least two of them before I'm gonna close today, like in 10 minutes. I'm starting to raise my stop in our RGTI. Um, Now it's under 24. I'm still in PLTR. It's holding the V up. It broke the round numbers, but it's on the V up, so I'm still holding it. Theoretically, yes, John, but okay, Rigetti. High of the day, Rigetti 2487. If I see a problem there that it start to fade, I'm gonna take a partial and I'm gonna raise my stop 2450 under, a few cents under. Okay, CDLX looking good. Nvidia looking good. Rigetti looking good. Everything looking good. So I'm watching it to see. Again, also Nvidia, also Rigetti. If it's getting towards the high of the day, start fading. I'm gonna take a partial, another partial, and PLTR. We need to break the previous high of the trade, which was 74.72. Okay, we get it. Okay, I'm raising in CDLX. I wanted to see immediately I'm raising my stop under 220. So if the trade will not go in well, again, I'm not full size and it's gonna be only 10 cents. Okay? Somebody's stealing the Getty, guys. By any chance? The Getty is getting towards the previous high. Paper looking good. Need more around 20 cents. And Buzak, for example, PayPal, I'm going to take 3/4. We're getting toward lunch, and what I'm going to do is PayPal, partial, yeah, we're getting towards the partial before the 70, and my stop, I'm raising it under 50. Yeah, like 47. Let's see if I can do it even better. No, I just can't. No, 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 no. I don't like what he's doing. In those kind of things, you want to see immediately. It's not like a trade to hold or whatever. And this is why I'm not full size, and now my stop is 10 cents in the system. Like 218, I have the stop. No, no, yeah, you don't want to be that. That's not a stock you want to be there without any protection. Nvidia. Okay, previous high 76.24. Stop Nvidia. Okay, let's put the numbers now. 76. Under 76, we're going to take the partial for sure. And my stop right now will be under. I'm going to put 75.40. Okay. Rigetti taking another partial and my stop under 40. 24.40. PayPal. It's not done. Since I'm going away from computer, I'm taking a partial right now here. Yeah, not a big one, doesn't matter. And my stop is under the 50. CDLX stop is 220, 218. Okay, guys, it was a good day today. Yeah, yeah, definitely. Good stock. Yeah, sometimes I can have disagree with myself. The way I handle your mindset, whatever. I will research today, but definitely I can feel the vibe. Yeah, I was in a good, mental condition. I read okay. I like what I gave it time to grow. I took the partial not too soon enough, and even the trading with AMD, I would do the same. Like it's an open movement, and it has to do immediately, and to take the partial and then raise your stop was totally fine. I don't care what happened after that. I was trading that situation. Rigetti, just beautiful. We caught it in the right time. And Nvidia, same. Uh, quick last on those. What's his name? But I told you it's not my blame. You have to blame Alex. There was the stock that he said. CDLX, can surprise me. I still, this is the way I got it. I put half position stop under 220 and one like 340, and then half position again 218 and another one before 5. Let's see if something will get. uh, so guys, thank you very much. Next week Tuesday. Okay, bye bye again. If I didn't answer your or you want to ask question, I can write my email. My email is like the last name, Barak Arch, ARCH, yahoo.com, or you can just you can see my email. I have a YouTube channel, Amir Barak, you see. I post there. It's been a while since I took a vacation a little bit before that. Usually I like to post trade that I do here or when I trade with a student, on the mentoring, because we can learn from that. And in the past, I even did some session, like lectures. So you can actually subscribe. And if I put something new, you can get access. Okay? Bye.